Welcome back, guys. This is Beamer Merchant doing another do-it-yourself video. Today we are going to work on a 95 525. This is the E34 chassis. We're going to show you how to remove the passenger rear door panel. Now, if you removed the front, it's not the same process. It's a bit different, similar, but it's a bit different. We'll show you right now. The tools you'll be needing, pretty straightforward. Small blade screwdriver, tack remover, and Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. What I recommend is taking this lock pin out. Pretty straightforward. Just unscrew it. And that's gonna allow you at the end to pop the panel up successfully. Now we're gonna go ahead and focus on 3 points. We got 1, 2, and 3. Behind these 3 spots, you should find screws in there. Let's find out. Let's start from left to right. To remove this cover, you can take a similar tool. Just be very careful, wedge it in there, and all you have to do is pop the cover out. Just be careful not to rip the leather edges on the door handle here. There's one there. Pop that out. Screw. Lastly, push this ashtray in. It should pop out. Pull it forward. 3. Remove 1, 2, 3. Next, take your tack remover. Looks something like this or something similar. Wedge it in between the door panel and the door frame. Pop it out. Go along. Just be careful that as you're going this way here, that you get as close to the pin as you can. Otherwise, you run the risk of breaking the panel. Once you have a good enough opening here, you can wedge your fingers in there and just do it by hand. The pins, I believe, go all the way up here and all the way up here. Once you removed the 3 screws and taken out these pins at the edges, the next step is you're gonna need some brute force. You need to pull up. As I stated before, if you pull towards you, you run the risk of breaking it's a thin, I'll show you right now. Okay, there you go. It's a thin, what do you call this, strip that runs along the top edge of the door. If you try to pull the door towards you, you might break this. But if you go up, it's got clips that kind of look like this. As you pull up, it unlatches like this. Also, you notice this part here, there's a plastic that goes in here. This is what makes it, you gotta pull hard to release this part. See, because it's wedged in there. And the only way to go, let me see here, yep, it's supposed to go up. Let's do it. Okay, like what I did is I went ahead and my left hand here, my other one here, and just pull up. Once you pull up, this is what happens. I believe if I look in the back, it's see, you just unhook the handle cable and the window switch right here, and the door panel should come off. This is how the back of the door panel looks like. As you can see, the pins go up as high as this point here and up here. Previously, I have forgotten to take this one off. That's why it wasn't allowing me to open the panel completely forward. This is how it looks here. These parts are old. If you're working on such cars, I mean, they are old. Chances are stuff will break as you take them off, but always, try to prevent that from happening. See, this one here is a common issue with these. Let's put some glue here, and then above here, it's this cover here. No big deal. If this happened to yours, just go ahead and put some cement glue, industrialized glue, put it back on, and you should be set. Anyhow, that's how you remove a rear door panel off of E34 chassis. If you have any questions, comments, let us know. And be sure to check out our website below for all your pre-owned BMW parts. Thank you. Have a great day.